Hello and welcome. In today's video, I want to show you how quickly you can turn a PLR product into other interesting products. So I've just bought this one. I'll click to access the purchase, and here we have the product page. I'll follow the link to the product, which is a Google Doc. Now I'll download this and head over to Claude. Here in Claude, I'll go to my projects and create a new one for this. In the project instructions, I'll enter some information about rebranding. For now, I'll just enter this initial text. You can also enter your own domain or name. I've added some more information here. It's important to include your name, your domain, if you want to mention it, and more information about your business like contact email, blog, and social media. Now I'll upload the file. Since the document is too large to paste directly, I'll download it as a text file first. Okay, I've uploaded the file as text. Now I'll ask it to analyze the file and create a sales funnel for me, including a front-end product, OTO1 and OTO2. OTO2 will be a resell rights offer for the other two products with master resell rights as an upsell. The second part of the request is to create a skill set for Claude that uses the image API. So let's see what comes out. Here we have a suggestion for the funnel architecture. And here is the skill. For this first round, we'll just have it create the front-end guide. Since this is based on the old image model, we need to give it more information than what we've used here. So let's give it another 5 minutes or so. About 15 minutes later, you can see that Claude has worked hard to generate the assets. Let's take a look inside. It has my name and branding, and at first glance it reads pretty well. It has also researched the new image model. Here is the skill, which I will download now, and here is the document. Now I'll go to Skills, create a new skill, and upload the skill file. As you can see, it brings up an error. I've seen this before. You can tell something is wrong with the file if there isn't an Add to Skills button here. This is a common mistake. The skill description is too long. But this should be fixed in just a few minutes. So now it's done another round. I'll download it again, go to Customize, and give it another try. Okay, this worked. Now you can see the skill file with examples, references, scripts, and templates. There's a lot inside. First, before we try this, here's another prompt. Now create new sales pages for the front-end OTO1 and OTO2 pages. Before you start, find good angles and hooks that match the product's value and the Warrior Plus audience. Also, make sure to optimize for conversions. Don't make false claims, no income claims, and include a short earnings disclaimer, a privacy policy, and a contact link in the footer. The pages should be mobile optimized and fast loading. Okay, so I've hit my usage limit and it stopped in the middle, but we're currently on the sales page generation part. Okay, another few minutes later, maybe 10 or so, and we have the first page ready. I would say it looks pretty good. Here are the products, the rights, what you can do with it, and everything you get, all for a one-time price. This appears to be the OTO2 page. So we have the 3 pages here. This is the first OTO, which also looks quite good. And here's the main front-end sales page. You can now ask Claude to make changes, add images, and so on. Let's download these. So, as you can see, it's pretty simple to turn a good PLR product, in this case a 70-page guide with great content, into a 3-part funnel with ready-to-sell products using just a few prompts. The license for master resell rights is something we still need to add, but overall the entire process was done in about 30 minutes, with most of that time spent waiting for the AI. If you're interested in this product, you'll get all the sales pages and products I've created, plus a bonus. I'll most likely come up with another one tomorrow. So if you're interested, check out the link in the video description. Here I've tested the skill that was created from the report, and as you can see, it looks pretty good. I just asked it to give me an example image without any additional instructions. Then I added my API key and it generated the image. So we can put this skill into Copilot as well. This should work. If not, just ask Claude to make it compatible with Copilot, and then you can create images or masks. We've now created some email swipes too, and I've redone the sales pages to remove my name. I've also created the license files. All of these files will be added as a final bonus to the main product. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.